Do you see all this? Our power went out, so we have like no power. We're walking to Safeway. Hey, he's just laughing at me. And these cars. I don't know how these cars are going fast. We made it. We came to Fort Myers instead.
Girl, tell them how you almost ate shit.
I did almost eat shit like 5 times. It's okay though. We should get water.
You guys can see that when she almost ate shit on my Snapchat at El Pitudo 23.
That's nice, Snapchat.
She didn't want me to buy tortillas the other day because she was gonna make some. Tell them.
It's just a notification. It's just a
I'll
notification.
take the bag.
It's just a
I like how
notification.
you grabbed the lightest one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for that same reason.
Yeah.
What were you telling them?
Oh, then she didn't want me to buy tortillas because she was gonna make some. And so she got all flabbergasted where I'm like, I'm gonna buy tortillas just in case they don't come out right. And she's like, are you saying I can't make tortillas? So I'm like, no, I'm just saying, just in case. So we get home. All I'm gonna say is we had to eat with our hands that night.
You're lying. Oh my gosh, that car started slipping.
No, I came through with a tortilla. She couldn't make shit.
Yours weren't that great either. They were better than mine though. It's okay.
I'm a cooking master.
He is. He's a really good cook. Look at his truck. This shit is thick. She thick. It's hot. This is not a cute fit right now.
I like it.
Fit check. And I was wearing my champion hoodie with a big poofy sweater. Let's chop off the tomato. He was making fun of me of how I cut my jalapenos. Because usually I keep it in the little stem and then I cut it like this. Okay, so it's the next day. Our power went back on this morning, like at 2 in the morning. We're gonna take the neighbors to Safeway. We're trying to get the ice off his truck. But it's like fucking slippery over here. I also got my car running over there. I was able to get into it now. So I was able to get my gloves. But it is like way slippery over here.
What the hell?
It's my hairnets from work.
Chola? How the fuck is this a hairnet?
It's a hairnet. It's a used hairnet.
Oh, I see. Okay. Me traes una.
A hairnet for what? There's one right there. Use that one.
A used one?
Yeah, what's
Hell
wrong?
no, I want a new one.
They all look the same.
Yours already has headlights.
I don't have lice.
Okay. Remember that special shampoo you had me buy because you had some?
What?
And then you had me like comb your hair with this like really thin.
You're
metal
thinking
thing.
about some other bitch, because I ain't me.
No, I'm pretty sure it was you.
Mm-mm.
It was just last week.
Sir? Lies. We got home.
Are you crying?
We got home. And I made myself this really good coffee, okay? with this. Y le pregunté, do you want one? He's like, no. I'm like, okay, so I'm in my coffee, and I left it there. I went to use the bathroom. Tell me why. I came back, and it was like halfway here. And I'm like, why would you drink it? He's like, I just wanted to try it. I'm like, you drank like the whole thing. He's like, no. And I'm like, fine, I'm gonna go make myself another one. You can have that one. So now I'm going to make another one. He comes back and chugs the rest of it and expects me to make him another one. So good.
It was really good. It was the best coffee you've ever made.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Am I wrong for wanting to try the coffee?
No, it's fine, but it was all the way up. I come back from the bathroom, it's right here. That's like half my coffee. So I'm like, dude, are you serious? Like, why would you do that? Like, I knew you were gonna do that. He's like, why would you leave? And I'm like, because I trusted that you weren't gonna do it. And he still did. And después viniste and you chugged all of it. Tienes que saborearlo. You just fucking chugged it, dude.
I was thirsty. No.
You drank all my coffee. Okay. The least I deserve is one ball. Okay. Anyway.
Is it ready?
I hope so. Okay.
Is that gonna be enough for the both of us? Giving me this.
You drink my fucking coffee. It was so good.
Best coffee you've ever made, baby girl. That one looks nothing like it.
It's not gonna be good anymore. You're such an ass.
She almost crying.
It was so good, and now you're going it. I wanna cry.
That one looks nothing like it.
Breathe, Abby, breathe. I'm upset. I'm so upset right now.
Me too.
Three. And then I used... Where'd it go?
Which one, caramel?
No, it was my white chocolate one. I used white chocolate. Shit, I should have bought one. And then I put a splash of whipping cream and a splash of pumpkin spice creamer. Moment of truth. If it doesn't taste the same, I'm gonna... Fix your beanie!
Nerd.
Oh my god. Here's the Walmart. There's no power. It's closed. Can you not?
Girl.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy, fix that freaking beanie. Reminds me of the freaking annoying ass high. No, that's even worse. Actually, no, the other one's worse. But all the high schoolers at my school, the scrawny little white boys would wear their fucking beanies like that. I thought they were the shit.